In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to purchase an ALDI mobile product. Let's get started. You can complete this purchase either online or in person at a physical ALDI supermarket. First, if you're purchasing online, navigate to the official website of ALDI. Browse the Super Pack, Mobile Plan or Data Plan sections to pick your product. Click Buy Now to add a SIM card, starter pack to your cart. Choose your service type, new service or existing service, then click on Next. Now choose your SIM type, eSIM or physical SIM, and click on Buy Now. Proceed to checkout and enter your delivery address and payment details. Wait your SIM card to arrive by Australia Post, usually takes about 3 to 7 business days. If you're purchasing in store, walk into any physical ALDI supermarket, locate the SIM card starter packs, usually displayed near the cash registers or the front counter. Take the pack to the register and pay for it alongside your standard groceries. Log online later to activate the SIM and choose your specific prepaid plan. So that's it. This way you can easily buy mobile product on ALDI. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.